timing. We got a time machine and Doc Brown. Hiya, Doc.
Welcome to Courthouse Square. This is home to Back to the Future. I'm Dr. Emmett Brown, and this is my DeLorean. This is what makes time travel possible. At 88 miles per hour and 1.21 gigawatts, we were able to send Marty McFly back to the future. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to time travel?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Are you ready to time travel? Yeah. Remember, at 88 miles per hour, you're going to see some serious you-know-what. Because where you're going, you don't need roads. I'll see you in the future.
All right, thank you,
Have
Doc.
a great day.
We'll make our exit from Courthouse. We're going to come out onto what I like.